to extend the object. First of all, draw object and ex enter. Ex means extend and select object. Enter. After select object and choosing the object which want to extend and enter. Okay. If another comment, you can use ex enter and double enter. After ex enter, enter and enter. After choosing double enter, you want to select this object which want to extend and extend your object. Okay, and in here I choosing my reference point from choose extend the object. Okay, again ex enter. After ex enters, choose my object which want to reference to extend. Okay, after choosing object, again enter F for your fillet. Okay, and choosing the line which extend, and all line are extend. Okay, thank you. Visit again and comment your opinion. Okay.